Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. And my people, we now waste no time. Without further ado, make we mix up the gravy, take the meat off of the bone and get straight to work. People, you see sometimes when you have file for people to come a foreign, sometimes we don't need to do no little background check. Check out about the person, check out about all them family, because see me and live with me are two different kettle of fish. I make we jump into the story now, people. You have this woman, you know, right? File for this man from Jamaica. Can't go England. And I tell you what, let me give you a shot. This woman is no longer among the land of the living. And me I go break down the story for you now. You have this brother here. When it there America, right? Something happening in America with him because as far as the story goes, him there America work do him thing and everything, have green card, everything. But something happened. Him getting an entanglements with the law and them deporting back to Jamaica. Here goes this woman now from the UK, Jamaican woman too. But she living in the UK for a while. This side she go Jamaica. But you know sometime in a foreign country man hard to find. What is the problem? I don't know. But all I know the woman them can't find no man in the foreign country them. Whether America, Canada, England are the same thing. No matter how you see a Jamaica woman left and go live in them country there. Sometimes you have to go back right back at Jamaica go look a man. So anyhow it go, this woman here end up back at Jamaica. And happen to meet that brother here, we get deported from America. Right? It so happen that things start going for them. Anyway, them end up, they together, married, this, that, woman file for him Japan, England now. People, this lady who me I tell you about, based on what me I get from the story, it was a nice, jovial, loving, kind-hearted woman. And you know them type of woman there is just lamb for the slaughter. Because me tell you already, yes when you see good woman and kind and too loving, I don't know if them just attracted to the little dog shit man them sometime. But every time you find a good nice woman, them have to go pick up one old bungalow garbage and go throw along in them place or have it beside of them. Why is it that the good woman them don't attracted to good nice man? Why make it always the little bag of garbage them pick up all the while? One big old lumper. Me say. But anyway the man come to England. And I even find it sketchy based on the story go because I never even know say. When you get deported from X country, if you could have got a certain other country, but I guess it not have nothing to do with the other country where you go then. Because as long as I know that the country they deport you, that means say, if you get filed for or anything like that, you can go to the other country. Anyway, the man reach England. Him and them woman did it. But he come like say, this man you have a anger problem or something. But things never go on so good with the man and the woman. Complicated story did they. Where them say the man had cheat. And the man was abusive to the woman and all different kind of sin thing. But all I know, it was enough for them to have a separation. So the man reach England, things now go on good with the woman. The woman now get along fine. All kind of bangarang go on. Them separated. And them separated for a little minute. People, it turned out that he come like the woman and him start make back little talking because you know even though them separated and such, you still have to talk little bit because of your husband and so forth and so forth. So I don't it come like say I men them a try men up things because you know some good woman already. That's a one thing with good woman, you know. And I think that I want a good woman downfall, you know. Good woman chew them not in the run up and down same thing. Then we try for the relationship work out. When the relationship not going nowhere. If you take a microscope and scope, you can't see that the relationship that can last. But a good woman will still fight for a relationship like that. Even when in the back of their mind, them know say, but this a relationship and not go nowhere, you know. No. Them still a fight and fight and fight to see if they can make it work out and see if they can fix things. And 3/4 of the time, oh, it turn out that they are no longer among the land of the living. Anyway, my people, it come like little blah 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 when I go on and sitting. I mean, I know if it turn out a way where the man decide to go check the woman. And people there in Birmingham, who no probably hear of this story, normally me no normally call the place, you know, where certain things happen when me I give me story, you know. But this particular story, me I go give the benefit of the doubt and me I go call the story, yeah. Because something wasn't very clear in the story, yeah. So me will wait for my comment section to clear it up. This apparently happened in Birmingham. And it happened around in a December. In the December time. I don't know if the coldness get to the man head or sitting. But me people, all I know is that he come like the man go check the woman at the yard. And because thing they sweet and nice. And they were separated. He come like the man. Me don't know if he went go drink little rum and he sitting to turn up on him. And he get hardy like some ram goat. And same thing and go there. But all I know, he come like him go there if he go look crutch. And when he go there if he go look crutches, he come like the woman say me not having it. Because we haven't been in anything for a while. And you did abusive and disrespectful and a cheat and a go with one per sitting. And I bring down humiliation for me all kind of sitting. But people, all I know, when them find the woman with one punch a wound to her chest plate. And she was molested. You know, say certain thing we don't want to call out. He was hold on and take when want then. The woman appear of somebody hold on her and take what them want and put one punch a wound to her chest plate, my people. They find her no longer among the land of the living. The person who them go for first, guess? Not the same husband. But throughout everything, the husband hold on to his innocent and say him no know nothing about it. And not him do it. But yet still them find this woman here, hold on and take. And one punch a wound to her chest plate. This woman is no longer among the land of the living to tell nobody what really happened. So who them a go question? Who have access to the woman yard? Who was the most likely person to get to the woman yard at a certain time? So it's just one piece of bang around me people. You hear me I say? But everybody have if say if this woman never did take this crosses man from Jamaica we get deported from America. And this woman going to take up the one bag of crosses as a good woman. And the thing about it, everybody in the area who know this woman say they can understand probably why this happened to this woman. Because this woman is such a kind-hearted woman. And she will take up anybody and show them kindness. All down to the worst old drunker. She will go take up and show them love and kindness. Is always a jovial woman, a happy woman. She love to help people. Then I who think always get the shitty end of the stick all the while. And them people always get the shitty end of the stick all the while, you know. The good people, them. And the good people, them always get it. You go to Jamaica. Go pick up this man here. We get deported from America. What him do in America, nobody truly knows. Rumors go on say a domestic abuse. Beat woman close to you know what. And them lock him up and send him and deport him to Jamaica. And rumors are saying we mix up in a drugs. But whichever way, him did in a problem with the law and them send him back to Jamaica. So he must do something wrong with America. And then this nice kind-hearted angelic woman you know, go to Jamaica go pick up this man here. Carry him come to England and then see them now. Where is this lady? She day in one who was 6'6" with one punch a wound to her chest plate. And apparently them hold on and take what they want from her. And see them now. She's not here to tell the tales, my people. And then the person who is alleged that he has done it. I hold him innocent and say him not have nothing at all to do with it. So people, whether him have something to do with it or something to do with it not, the moral of the story is, because remember, you know, and me tell the cautionary tales them, you know, and I want to pick something from it. The moral of this story is, you see, I know anybody who no jump and married. Sometimes I will not hear say, enough time a woman will hear say a man used to beat the woman and and that woman still go take him up say, well, him not treat me so, me and him different. You and him different for your time. Until him change. See me and live with me are two different things. And some man can play the long halt and play Mr. Nice Guy till he reach a one point to them not to play Mr. Nice Guy no more. So sometimes we have to just be careful. We no check no man, we no ask people about them no man. We no check on them family, what kind of family them have no. We no just check something no. Do no little research and no due diligence no. We no can't take up anybody come put in our no space of safety, no space of comfort. Eh? Because remember, just like now, we no probably have J Progress Entertainment a do a story pa uno if you no don't careful. Remember when me tell you that? Believe. Yes, me peeps, and right so we are cut off his story. You don't know me go to work already, you know. You don't have to ask nobody nothing. Nobody not to tell you nothing because you don't know how me go to work. And you don't know say there is one J Progress and no other. Believe me. Go and go tell a friend. If tell a friend, like, share, subscribe. Go tell everybody. Tell all your grandmother when I share. All if them can't see and them have problem to watch me, just make them listen. Because then we get them more of the story. Just tell everybody and send them over to my channel. Because guess what? A 1J Progress and I him tell the story them the best. Believe.